Challenge 4, Highway Zealots 100. Let's see what we can do to clear this out. First step, we're going to send in a couple of escorts. We're going to remove the missile jammer. All right, now because the seeker came out, we're going to reset the base. He always comes out, so, and you get very minor damage. Maybe a couple minutes of damage to your escorts. We're going to use 3 missiles, aces, and we're done. That's how easy it is. So first we're going to do shock missile here, shock missile here, shock missile here, and then we're done. Okay, there's one. Shock missile here, and then as soon as we shoot this one, we'll send our aces in. Shock here. Now we'll send our aces in, and we'll just clear the base. Get over here, get over here. Clear the stuff out. Now we're just going to kill all the little guys who want to shoot us. Okay, that should be it. It's very, very simple. Minimal damage. Clear out these guys over here and we're done. And we get 80k of medals. Now let's go home and see how much damage we got. We didn't get a whole lot of damage. $12 minutes. As you can see here, 12 minutes. Not a whole lot. And we got 1:15. So escorts are repaired already. That's an easy way for maybe 10 minutes worth of damage to get 80k. That's it.